right, hello everybody. In this video, we're gonna take a look at the markets. We're gonna do a pre-market analysis, and we're gonna analyze and identify some trading opportunities that we could take advantage of throughout the day today. Now, I do have something also later after we do this, our pre-market analysis. I do have something in store that I'll talk about for the whole month of January, so stay tuned afterwards. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with the euro dollar. Now, on the daily chart, the euro dollar, the price actually has been since about a month ago, since December, have been kind of just playing around these two areas of structure. And currently, our price is at this support level. Now, what opportunities we're looking at with this pair is that we are looking for a buying opportunity in anticipation for price to come back up to this level right here. If we go down to our 60-minute chart, we are waiting for, I should say, I'm waiting for a double bottom opportunity. Of course, we're waiting for price to go below this level. I'm sorry about that. And we wouldn't want price to close below this low right here. So we want price to come back down to this level of structure in anticipation for price to come back up to around right here, 109.30s. So 109.30s. So we'll be waiting for that. Let's go to dollar CAD. Now on the daily chart, dollar CAD has been extremely bullish. So what I am looking for is an opportunity to buy. And to do that, I go to my lower time frame. And for those of you who are familiar with pattern trading, there is actually a Cipher Pattern that is setting up. All right. So there is this Cipher Pattern that is setting up. Obviously, our entry is going to be in the 786. Stops would be below our X level right here. Oops. So around the 137.95, we want to go below that 3,800 even handle number. And of course, our first targets would be in the 382, around 139. Again, same thing. We want to go a little bit below that level. So maybe around 96 or 97. And target 2 would be our 618 level. So around right here to the 39.28 level. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and look at, I have another one here. Dollar yen. Dollar yen have been in between these two levels of structure. And if we take a look at this support level right here, it looks like it's a pretty strong level of support. We'll see right here about August, we have a retest right here, another one right here, and right here, and then this one also. So right now, price is around that level. So if we take a look at, let's see. So on this the 240 chart, we're actually looking at about the same play that we're looking at with the euro dollar, a double bottom in anticipation of riding that back up to previous structure. We do also see this divergence that's forming in the RSI right there if we get that double bottom. So we'll wait for that. Then let's go to have the New Zealand dollar. All right. This one, if you take a look at this one, you probably see that it's kind of the middle of nowhere. But if you have been, or if you are familiar with harmonic patterns or pattern trading, sorry, you see that this could be a possible Gartley pattern. And of course that is most likely not going to happen this week, so we'll be waiting for that, or should I say you should be waiting for that for any of you who's a longer term trader. Oh, it's right here. Although in our 240 we do see a cipher pattern that is right here. Oops. See this. Oh, sorry about that. I don't know why this is not giving me. There we go. All right, so this is actually an at market cipher if you want to take advantage of that one. Oh, and we are, there it is. Okay. So stops is going to be around the 657. Obviously, we have our first target at around the 67.84 level and the 618 level for target 2. So that's about the 68.21 levels. Okay. Now let's go ahead and go to our Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, same thing, been kind of a range, and can also possibly be that deep Gartley pattern. There's deep Gartley pattern right there. It's about the same level. So for longer term traders, you can take a look at the Gartley pattern setting up for the daily on the Aussie dollar. What do I have here? Although nothing much on a lower time frame. So we can skip that one. And we go to pound yen. Pound yen. It's actually at the previous support level at this time. So what we want to do is try to find a reason for entry to take advantage of maybe a buying opportunity. We could also, if you notice also, the RSI is extremely oversold. So let's take a look at, and that is our opportunity. This is a possible double bottom. Of course, we want to make sure that this does not close below these previous level of structure, or these lows, below these lows. And we can also use this divergence and the RSI. So what we want to do is wait for this candle to close. We want to make sure that it doesn't close below the lows of these candles. And right after that, we buy the open of the next candle. So we'll be waiting for that. And I think that's all. Yep. Let's see. All right, so yep, that's all. And I did say that I'll talk about what's going to happen in January, or what I'm going to do the whole month of January. Is I'm trying out this live streaming on Google Hangouts. So I'll be doing a live streaming of this, a pre-market analysis that's going to be scheduled around 7:30 GMT AM. That's before the London session. And the reason why I want to make it live is so I can maybe take some questions. If you have some questions, it is only going to be about 10 to maybe 15 minutes. So, you know, if you have the time to maybe check it out, you can check it out. Or also, if to those of you who are not awake during that time, you can check it out on my YouTube channel. I will be posting that, and hopefully it will be posted right away, but I'll try to kind of figure that out as I go. So if you have the time to check it out, just check it out. And I think that's it. All right, traders, good luck.